Hey, David. David says, do you see yourself staying in risk management framework or cybersecurity, or do you have aspirations of becoming a director or information security CISO type of role? Um, Great question, David. No, for me personally, I don't see myself doing any kind of director information security type role. I don't have any interest in doing that. Personally, I don't have any interest doing it. Um, I like the technical aspects of it. I got into technology because I thought it's fascinating to me. It's for me, technology is like toys. I like figuring things out. I like puzzles. That's the fun part for me. The CISO role or director role, it doesn't interest me. Um, it would have to be some company I really believed in for me to do something like that. It would have to probably be a company I started. Like if I started a company, then I would do it. But to be in another person's company and then be a upper level manager, for me, it has no, like, I'm not interested in that at all. Like I'm not. It doesn't make me happy. It doesn't excite me. Nothing. Like for me personally, I know a lot of people who are like a real good friend of mine who is a mentor to me for a long time. Um, dude, this dude like is really wanting to be a manager, a director level person to influence change throughout an organization, and that's his whole thing. And that's, I'm like, wow, man, yeah, here's how you can do it. I'm giving him some advice and stuff on people who I've known who've done it, because he's at a high level, technically a high level, but has never progressed beyond like a senior engineer or architect, but he's trying to go to that upper level management type, and he could do it. I mean, but me personally, I don't want to do it. I see myself doing like starting a business or something like that. Doing what I'm doing now. Actually, this is something I would like to do, and I'm going for it. I'm really going for it, and that's why I have combo courses. And it might not work out. I might find myself back in the corporate world, but what do I have to lose, right? I want to at least try it. So that's why I'm selling courses. That's why I'm teaching. This is something I actually like to do. I like to influence having a direct influence on a person, for me, is more rewarding personally. So that's kind of the direction I would like to go. But we'll see how this all works out, David. I really don't know. I mean, this is really I'm kind of taking some managed risks here for my career path, and we'll see how it works out.